One really cool use case for automations is actually to build an AI code review agent. Because we have this capability to do triggers of pull requests, you can take an action every time a pull request is triggered within your organization. And what that enables you to do is to set up something that looks a little bit like this. So what we do here is every time a pull request is made to one of the projects that we care about, so 3 here, and whenever it's opened or ready for review, we run a really detailed prompt that we've spent a lot of time on and iterated to make it as high quality as possible. If you use automations, you can use ours, or you can edit it to bring your own. Once it's done that, it will then comment on the pull requests. And I've got a couple of really good examples here of things that it can do. So there's a pull request here where you'll see that the automation will leave comments on the pull request. It will summarize the pull request. You can respond to it. It will make suggestions of quick issues that it thinks it can fix, and will ultimately review the pull request in line with your guidance. We can then also get the automation to improve the pull request, which means that humans only need to look at pull requests that have already been approved by our AI agent. So far with our customers, we've seen a 50% reduction in time spent on pull requests, an 88% acceptance rates of owner comments, and we've materially increased our velocity by using this. The sky really is the limit on how you can use this. Ona is in a particularly unique position to offer a great code review experience because we can run this on your infrastructure. So even if you're using on-prem Git, like on-prem GitLab, on-prem GitHub, we can still give you this experience. But also because we have the run loop, we have dev container support, which means that the agent can run the code, it can run the tests. If it finds an error, it can actually fix it. We can give much higher quality outputs than some of the other code review agents on the market. Finally, because of our integrations, we're able to do things like this, where the automation says, hey, the code looks fine, but you didn't actually meet the requirements of the ticket. And this is because we can check Linear or Jira or Confluence or Notion as well as the code. So we can give really holistic feedback, which is a lot deeper than typical code review agents. We work with all of our customers closely to refine the prompt to ensure it aligns with what they expect from a code review agent. And we've also seen extensions of this to do security reviews every time a pull request is open. Really excited to see how this is used, but we're getting a ton of value out of this internally ourselves too.